Welcome to this video where I'll be going over how to use the soft select feature inside of Maya. Without soft select enabled, if I click on a vertex, only one selects and transforms at a time. Of course, you can select groups of vertices, but notice the hard edge. There's no fall off at all. There's a few ways to activate soft select, but for the moment we're just going to use the shortcut B on the keyboard. By holding B on the left mouse button, you can grow and shrink the selection. Now on a hover over a vertex I get a gradient, yellow red to black, moving outwards. Black meaning no influence, and yellow meaning full influence. So if I click on this vertex, you're able to see the effects where they transform up. Notice the gradients of influence moving away from the center of the vertex. This is what soft select does. This gradient can be customized to suit your specific needs. To do so, you'll want to open up the transform tool settings. You can do so by double clicking the tool in the toolbar or by using the marking menu. To use the marking menu, hold down the shortcut for the transformation tool you want to use. In my case it's W for move tool, and then hold the left mouse button and go to move options, which as you see will take you to the same place. Under the soft select drop down you'll see a bunch of presets. These presets can be a really efficient way of editing your topology. So you can create a stair-like effect. You can also create ripples. You can even have it so that you don't have a smooth gradient. So you can create nice points on your geometry like so, but still have the fall off as you want. Not only do you have the presets, like with Photoshop you can edit the levels of the graph by clicking on the dots to remove them, and by dragging the pattern out on the graph to add points. So if you wanted to add a random gradient, you could just do so like so. We can have a look and see what this one does. And you it looks like a bit like a ripple effect, but there's no that. Because the little dip here in the middle, you're not getting that in the center. With the soft select feature inside of Maya, you have infinite possibilities of what you can do. I'll quickly show you another use case. Ignore the topology on this model, I just use them for size reference. But another good use for soft select is to be able to manipulate your organic models. So if we select all these vertices down here on the arm, you'll see that how without soft select on, everything sort of goes janky and we don't get the effect we want. With soft selection on, it makes making these kind of changes much quicker, as the surrounding topology moves with the selection, helping keep the flow of the mesh. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, why not leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.